Hi, welcome to Lifestyle Hacks with Ratna. With summer around the corner, I have been cleaning and decluttering. I have also reorganized and changed things a bit. Nature is beautiful, isn't it? Today's topic is also related to cleaning the house naturally instead of using harsh chemicals. In this video, I'm going to talk about 3 simple organizational ideas and 5 easy cleaning hacks that could be done with ingredients around the house. These hacks can also be used for multiple purposes. Like the same hack serves different purposes. Let's start with the organizational ideas. I have recently marked the toy boxes with a paper tape so that it is easy to organize for me and my child. This is how I reorganized the toy rack. Next, I'll be showing you the shoe rack which I reorganized. I have added few storage boxes to put gloves, socks and masks so that everything is handy. I have this shower caddy which didn't fit in the shower and was lying around the house. But now I'm using it to put my child's school socks. Next, coming to cleaning hacks, first hack is mold cleaning. Sometimes when we leave windproof jackets or raincoats unused, they get white mold over them. An easy way to remove the mold is to take 1 part of water and add 1 part of vinegar to it and then spray it over the jacket and clean it with a cloth. Then dry it out in the sun for a couple of hours. That's it, the mold will be gone and the jacket is clean now. This liquid can also be used to clean spills on the carpet or to remove the stains when children wet their bed or clothes. Did you know that using natural ingredients for cleaning improves indoor air quality and is much safe for children? Second hack is grease cleaning. When the pan is greasy, I would add dish soap to it and then add hot water to the pan and wash it. You could also use dish soap to clean a blender. Add some water and dish soap to the blender and blend it for a few seconds. You'll have a clean blender. Third hack is rust cleaning hack. I have taken 4 teaspoons of baking soda and added some water to it and made it into a thick paste. Now I'm going to apply it onto the rust and I'm going to leave it overnight, and then I'm going to scrub out all the baking soda gently and then clean it with a wet cloth. We have a sparkly clean blender. Fourth hack is to clean the grease from the kitchen counters, walls or exhaust. Just add baking soda and water and scrub it. If it's too greasy, add some dish soap and clean it away. Fifth hack is sink cleaning hack. If the water is blocked or if the water takes time to seep in, this hack is the best. I'm going to add 100 grams of baking soda and 250 ml of vinegar to the sink and leave it for 10 minutes. Next, I'm going to leave the hot water tap open for a couple of minutes. The same hack can also be used to clean all around the toilet, and it works wonders. If it doesn't work out, then I would try to use the products available in the supermarket, but 80% of the time it works out very well for me. I have learned all these tricks over the years and I would like to learn more and share it with you. And also I have got a lot of useful content coming up, so if you have liked this video, please do subscribe and support me. See you in the next video. Bye bye.